Hello everyone, I am Rajni Mittal. I am an education and career counselor. Currently, we are doing a series on study effectiveness. I am giving you certain tips. With the help of those tips, like you can improve your study effectiveness and you can gain maximum results in minimum time as compared to other students. So I have been covering various factors of study effectiveness in this series, and today I am going to cover note taking. So, in simple words, note taking is writing down the big information in simple sentences in a very concise manner in your own language. So note taking is very important for like every student. If you learn the art of note taking, you will be able to cover like very big information in a very simple and very like small paragraphs, right? So it is very important for students, as I have already told you. And if you will start taking notes from the beginning of your session, you will see you will be able to cover the entire course like in a very shorter time as compared to like other students in your class. So note taking is like writing down the entire information in a very concise manner. So whenever you will be able to like refer it later on, you will be able to like recall the entire information is much shorter time, right? So that's why like note taking is very important for like every student. So like the entire chapters are very long, so you cannot like the fit the all the information in your head. So if you will know, if you will learn the art of note taking, you will make small notes and you will be able to recall it and just memorize it in just a glance, and it will help you in your exams. Like you will be able to recall the entire information, entire content in just very short time. So today I'm going to give you certain tips which will help you in mastering the arts of note taking. So the first tip which I want to give you for note taking is like creating keywords. So when chapter is very long, so it is very difficult to fix the entire information, to fit the entire information in your head. Suppose chapter is of 10 pages and you cannot remember the content of all the 10 pages and cannot fit that information in your head. So when you are taking the notes, what you will do, you will like go through the entire chapter. You will know that what are the important points in this chapter and what are not so important points in this chapter. So you will rewrite the entire chapter maybe in just 2 pages. So you will cover like all the important points in those 2 pages, and you will be able to like create keywords also. So those keywords should be such that by reading that one keyword, you should be able to recall the information of entire paragraph. So when that information, when that chapter was in 10 pages, so it was a huge challenge for you to recall or retain that information. But when it has been reduced to just 2 pages, that gives you sigh of relief, right? So then it becomes quite manageable. You can retain that much information in your head. So that is the art of like notes taking. So where you reduce a big information in smaller information, but don't compromise on the importance of the points. Whatsoever is not so important, just eliminate it. Whatsoever is important, just retain that information. And notes are should be like very neat, clean and readable. So whenever in future you are reading that note, it should make some sense. It should not confuse you, right? So like just in a glance, you will be able to recall the entire information of that 10 pages. So you should cover all the important points of the chapter and just leave what is not so important. So when you will start doing notes taking, when you will start doing this practice, slowly and gradually you will learn, you will understand that how to eliminate the information, how to retain the important information. So that was the first tip. You should use keywords. You should create keywords in your chapter to condense the information. The second tip which I want to give you is multicolor pen. So you can use multicolor pen. There are variety of color pens like available in the market. You can buy 3-4 different colors of pen. So maybe you can use one color of pen for the heading, and you can use another color of pen for writing like subheadings, and you can use another color for highlighting the information which is like important points in between the paragraphs. So by using 3-4 different colors, you will be able to like distinguish the information. So when you are looking those notes, so in a glance, like you will be able to understand, you will be able to build a relationship between different parts of that note, of that content, right? So in a glance you will be able to memorize the information. In a glance you will be able to recall the information. So when you have to go for the exams, like then you don't have to go through the entire chapter again and again. You just have to like go through those notes, and in a glance, like maybe in 5-10 minutes, you can like revise your entire chapter. So that is the power of like colors. So if you learn to use colors properly, it will help you a lot in your note taking. So the third tip which I want to give you is index cards. So there are variety of index cards available in the market. So you can use different colors of pages to make different kinds of like notes, right? So maybe one set of color for one kind of chapter, then another set of color for different another kind of topic. So you can learn to use those like index cards also to segregate the information, right? So it will be helpful for you, like you will have the information in small pieces, stored in small pieces, which will make it easier for you to retain the information and recall that information at the right time. And then the fourth tip which I want to give you is diagrams, right? Some people like they are visual learners. So they, if they see some image, like it is always like in their head, and they are easily able to recall that information during their exam. So if you are also one of visual learner, then you can consider like arranging all the information in the form of diagrams, or like in the forms of bar. So you can like again understand the entire information in just one diagram, with the help of just one diagram, with the help of just one bar. So it will also help you in your exams. So if you have that image in your mind, if you have that picture in your mind, the entire information is very clear in your mind, and you can utilize that during your exams. So these were some of the tips which you can utilize while creating the notes. So once again, I want to insist that the art of note taking is very, very important for students. If they learn to take notes in a proper manner, and if they start taking notes from the beginning of their session, it's going to help them immensely, right? So in today's session we have covered different tips about note taking. So if you will utilize these tips, like definitely it will help you in increasing your study effectiveness. And once again, study effectiveness is like gaining maximum results in minimum time. So that is study effectiveness. If you want to take individualized counseling for study effectiveness, you can get in touch with us. Our contact details are given below in the description box. So we include many activities also in those sessions, like we provide online session also, we provide offline session also, and it will be immensely helpful for you, right? So like it will help you in utilizing your time in a better manner, and you will be able to like get better results with investing very little time. So thank you so much for watching our video, and stay tuned for more such information. Thank you so much.